Okay, I want to show you how to use the Amatrol Simulator, and of course it's got some good helps, and so I'm hoping you would already know how to do this. But I'm having this video really before you get started, so possibly not, but do read the entire and go through the entire training for the simulator. But I'm going to pretend I'm doing skill 7 here for you, and it says I've got to drop in a picture. Let me go back because I really didn't show you that well. Skill 7, place a screenshot of the simulator measuring the total resistance of 3 resistors in parallel. So I am at skill 7 of the simulator, and I got there by going here and basically choosing skill 7. And I'm going to remove all this stuff and let you see everything from the very beginning. And all we have to do is connect 3 resistors, and it's got graphics and everything to show you how to do that, and put them in series and measure it with a digital multimeter. So if you're fairly new, this may not understand what all this is yet, but you can get the idea. So I'm going to add in a multimeter. I'll put it right here. I'm going to add the components. I'm going to add a 25 ohm resistor first. I'm going to add a 50 ohm resistor next. And last but not least, I'm going to add a 10 ohm resistor. So we know that resistors in series add, and I'm going to come down here and do add leads. And in series means I follow that circuit. If you notice, they're chained together with wires. The 25 is connected to the 50, which is connected to the 10. And then out here where my meter leads go, my digital multimeter goes to the left side of the 25 and the right side of the 10. So I'm going to put my black lead in the common, my red lead here. I'm going to bring up my dial. And since I know I won't go over 85 ohms because I can add those together, 25 plus 50 is 75 plus 10 is 85, I'm okay. So since there's no polarity to resistance, I can put my meter leads either black on the left and red on the right or vice versa because resistance has no polarity. It's just a measure of how many ohms it has. You can see we got 85 ohms. So now I need to snip this and put it into that box. So I'm going to show you how to do a snip. You could do a full screenshot. You may be familiar how to do this, but I like snips, and it's a nice thing to know how to do. So I'm just going to click on my Windows icon and type in snip. I'm going to go to the snipping tool, and I'm going to hit new. And I can draw a square around what it is I've got to snip. Look at there it is right there. So I'm going to save, go up here and just do a file, save as, and I'm going to type skill 7. I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to look this time and see where I put that. I put it in pictures. So skill 7 in pictures. So that is saved into my box. So now if I needed to submit that skill, I'm going to go to Blackboard right here where it says skill 7, place a screenshot of the simulator measuring the total resistance of 3 resistors in series. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to browse my computer and I'm going to go to pictures. I'm going to scroll down, there's skill 7. And if I want to check it, I can usually double click this, but maybe not on this one. Maybe used to a different thing. But anyway, make sure you select the right one. That's why naming it's pretty important. I'm going to hit submit. And look at there, I just submitted my assignment. So that is the way we have proof that you do your skills, and it works quick and easy. Now, every time you need to use this snip, you have to go over here and type SNIP. But if you want to do this, you can right click and say pin to taskbar. And the nice thing about doing that is my snipper is down here just as all these other icons I have used frequently are down here. And I can just hit this right here. And if I wanted to copy just those 2 buttons, I can say new. I draw a box around them, and now I've got a snip, and I can do a file save as. So snipping is pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward, and it's a quick way to get proof of your assignments to us, and that's why we're using it. And if you have a different operating If you have a different operating system, just let us know. We'll try to figure out a way for you to do the same thing. I'm not real Mac savvy, but I'm real Google savvy, and Google will tell you a lot of this stuff. So if you have any questions beyond how to do this on a PC, please let me know. Thanks.